Which number is bigger, 0.5 or 0.12? Most students think that this is bigger because it has more digits, but that's not true. So in this video, let's understand the place value of decimal so that whenever you get a decimal question, you are never ever confused how to compare decimal numbers. In the previous lesson, we learned that decimals represented parts of the whole, and now we are going to go further and understand the place value of decimals in this video. So if I have a whole number 4936, as I move from the right towards the left hand side of the digits, each value or each digit is 10 times the previous place value, and so on and so on. Similarly, when I talk about decimals, and let me write an example of a decimal. Let's say I have a number 37.295. As I go from the decimal towards the left hand side, the value of each digit towards the left hand side increases 10 times, and if I go from the decimal towards the right hand side, the value of each digit decreases by 10 times, and the place value of 2 here would be 1/10, or this is also known as tenths. The place value of 9 here is 1/100, or also known as hundredth. The place value of 5 here is thousandth, or also represented as 1/1000. So as I go from left hand side towards the right hand side, the place value of the decimal decreases by 10 times. Let's say I have a number 562.9784. So the place value of 2 here is ones, and the value of 2 is 2. The place value of 6 is tens, and the value of 6 is 60. The place value of 5 is 100, and the value of 5 here is 500. Similarly, if I go on the right hand side after the decimal, the place value of 9 here is 1/10, and the value of 9 is 9/10. The place value of 7 here is 1/100, and the value of 7 is 7/100. The place value of 8 here is 1/1000, and the value of 8 here is 8/1000. The place value of 4 here is 1/10,000, and the value of 4 here would be 4/10,000. If I have to write this number in expanded form, I will write this number as 500 plus 60 plus 2 plus 9/10 plus 7/100 plus 8/1000 plus 4/10,000. The first place after the decimal is tens, the second place is hundreds, the third place is thousands, the next place is 1/10,000, and so on. After the decimal, moving towards the right decreases the place value by 10 times, and if I move from right towards the left, it increases by 10 times. Example number 2, I have a number 89.136. So the place value of 1 here is 1/10. The place value of 3 is 100, and the value here is 3/100, and the place value of 6 is 1/1000, and the value of 6 is 6/1000. So the place value is 10th, 100th, 1000th after the decimal. As I am moving from left to right in my decimal, the value is decreasing by 10 times in each place value. So when I wrote the example initially, 0.1, 0.5 and 0.12. Here 5 represents 5/10, and 0.12 represents 12/100. Now, if I make an equivalent fraction of this, if I multiply the numerator and denominator by 10, I will get a 50/100, and this is 12/100. Now, which fraction is bigger? 50 parts out of 100 is bigger, or 12 parts out of 100 is bigger? Clearly, 50 parts out of 100 is bigger. So, I hope this video made the understanding of place values clearer. Wish you the best. See you in the next video.